Assalamu alaikum. Myself Ansari Safiya from Department of Physics, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Dear student, today we have to study auto engine and auto cycle. A heat engine is a device which converts heat into mechanical work with the help of substance known as working substance. Now there are two types of heat engines: external combustion engine and internal combustion engine. In external combustion engine, the combustion of fuel takes place outside the cylinder of the engine. Now the example of a external combustion engine is a steam engine. Second one is internal combustion engine, in which the combustion of fuel takes place inside the cylinder, and for such engine the working substance is air, but actually air is mixed with a small quantity of combustible gas or vapor. Now auto engine is an internal combustion type 4-stroke engine which is used for automobile and other motors. Now in this type of engine, air is a working substance and petrol vapor acts as a fuel. The engine consists of cylinder fitted with an airtight movable piston and controlled system of two valves I1 and I2. Now figure shows auto engine which consists of cylinder fitted with an airtight movable piston and controlled system of two valves I1 and I2. There is also a spark plug which produces a high voltage spark of current in the cylinder to burn the fuel mixture. Now the working of auto engine can be divided into 4 stages called 4 strokes of the engine. These are charging stroke, compression stroke, working stroke and exhaust stroke. One cycle consists of 4 strokes and involves 6 operations. The 6 operations are shown in PV diagram. Now first operation, that is charging stroke. When the engine starts, piston moves outwards. The inlet valve I1 opens and a mixture of 98% air and 2% petrol vapor is taken into the cylinder, due to which the cylinder is charged and the volume of the mixture increases isobarically from 0 to VA. Now this change is represented by the line A0A. Second operation, that is compression stroke. In this operation, the inlet valve I1 gets closed. Piston moves inwards, which compresses the fuel mixture about 1/8 of its original volume. Now during the adiabatic compression, its volume decreases from VA to VB. Temperature increases from TA to TB and pressure increases from PA to PB. Now this change is represented by the curve AB. Now on passing an electric spark between the electrodes, the mixture gets ignited and petrol vapor burns quickly and a little explosion occurs which produces an amount of heat Q1. Therefore the pressure and the temperature of the gas increases isochorically. Its pressure increases from PB to PC, temperature increases from TB to TC and temperature rises to about 2000 degrees centigrade. Now this change is represented by the line BB, line BC. Now fourth operation, that is working stroke. Now the pressure of rapidly expanding hot gases pushes the piston outward. The gas expands adiabatically and during expansion work is done by the gas. Its volume increases from Vc to Vd. Consequently, the temperature falls from Tc to Td. Now this change is represented by the curve CD. In fifth operation, the outlet valve I2 opens and a part of the gas along with an amount of heat Q2 goes out. So the pressure and the temperature of the gas obviously decrease and the change takes place at a constant volume. Its pressure and temperature decrease from Td to Ta and Pd to Pa respectively. Now the change is represented by the line dA. Last operation, that is exhaust stroke. This is sixth operation. In this operation, the piston is pushed inward. Remaining part of the mixture goes out or forced out. Now this change in volume occurs isobarically. The volume changes from Va to 0. Now this change is represented by the line AA0. After completing 6 operation, its original state is restored, that is one cycle is completed. Thank you.